If you look at the research right now, it's really hopeful because a lot of people are showing that inflammation, oxidation in the brain are behind depression. That's where we're going next. We're going to turning down the inflammatory response. We're going to reducing the amount of oxidants in the brain. And that would include then getting rid of some of these toxins, right? Well, there's thankfully a phenomenal substance found in nature that can do many of these things. Okay? This is coming from the research at Johns Hopkins University, 1992, Paul Talley, Dr. Kang. They've done it brilliantly at pointing out the fact that a compound called sulforaphane found in broccoli sprouts, you've heard of the cruciferous family vegetable, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, radishes, arugula. All of these things have this sulforaphane compound, broccoli sprouts by far the highest. And this sulforaphane compound does something fascinating. When you have it in your cells, it can go down and it will bind to a substance called KEAP1 that's hoarding or attached to something called Nrf2. You've heard about Nrf2.
Right.
Once it binds to that KEAP1, it lets go of the Nrf2. The Nrf2 then migrates down into the nucleus of the cell and binds to something called the antioxidant response element. This antioxidant response element is basically a treasure trove of your book of life. It starts reading these amazing proteins that help with antioxidant function, amazing proteins with detoxification function. They are the primary phase 2 conjugate proteins you need to grab onto that handle, pull the toxins out. But at the same time, they're working on glutathionase transferase, glutathione peroxidase, quinone reductase, thyroreductase, all of these amazing antioxidant replenishing proteins as well. So you get antioxidant protection and you get detoxification proteins to pull toxins out. It seems to be the magic 1-2 combination. In fact, I'm seeing some preliminary data now showing that they're going to start looking at sulforaphane for major depressive disorders.
So that would be glutathione, SOD, those antioxidant enzymes?
Absolutely.
Okay, now how are those antioxidant enzymes? So let me just do a quick review.
Yeah.
Toxin comes in, put a chemical handle on it, it goes to phase 2. So sulforaphane helps to increase those antioxidant enzymes that pull them out of the body.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Phase 2 detoxification enzymes.
So they're the ones grabbing the handle and pulling them out. So you want to make sure those things are high. Now those are antioxidant enzymes. How is that different from taking antioxidants in supplements or taking them in food?
Huge difference.
Okay.
Absolutely huge difference. So what's the most common antioxidant everybody takes?
Vitamin C?
Vitamin C. Okay. Let's take that as an example. So vitamin C, if you consume orange juice, for example, I'm drinking my orange juice, I'm getting my vitamin C. You'll take that in and you'll have antioxidant protection from that vitamin C for about 6 hours. And the reality is what happens is you're on a 1-to-1 battle ratio. You have one free radical that's missing an electron, and you have one antioxidant that donates the electron. Okay, so free radical, antioxidant. Boom, 1-to-1 ratio, interaction is done.
Right.
Once you've used up all that vitamin C, done. 6 hours, done.
Okay.
Right? What I'm talking about is ramping up each and every cell's ability to produce antioxidant and detoxification enzymes for 94 plus hours.
That's a big difference.
Days and days at a time. Okay, so one single consumption of a 1/4 cup of broccoli sprouts is going to ramp up your enzyme capacity for days, not just hours. So it's a total different ballgame.